everyone, it's Amanda Love Santos. Welcome back to another Stay Creating tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to wind yarn into a ball by hand. So you can go from a hank or however your yarn is worked up to a center pull ball of yarn. And today I'm here in Red Rock Canyon in the beautiful Mojave Desert. I often come up here to crochet, just enjoy the scenery. Since there's not much needed for this tutorial, I thought I'd bring you guys with me to one of my favorite places. As many of you guys may know, twisted hanks are so beautiful, but they do require some special handling so that they don't get knotted. So I'm going to transform this hank into a center pull ball of yarn. If you're not familiar with what that means, all it means is that you're going to be able to pull the yarn with ease and not have to unwrap it, which we all know can get very old very quickly. So the first thing that we're going to do is untwist the yarn. And we're going to remove all the ties. Next, I'm going to hang it around my neck and create some slack. You don't have to hang it around your neck. You can put it on a rock, on a chair, something that's going to hold it and free up your hands. For me, it works around my neck, but you can choose whatever else makes sense for you. Once you have enough slack of yarn, then we're going to leave the tail toward the bottom, and that's going to be for the center pull ball. Leaving that tail is going to help us later when we actually want to use the yarn. And so we're going to start wrapping the top of our thumb. So I am using my left thumb because I'm right-handed. It's going to be easy for me to wrap, but if you are left-handed, I would suggest wrapping around your right thumb and then wrapping with your left hand. So I'm just going to start wrapping around the top of my thumb, and then I'm just going to change directions in the opposite direction to form a ball. So at first it may be a little bit hard to see, but as you continue and then you change the direction, it'll start to form that ball shape. Now, one huge tip that I have for you, and I learned this the hard way, is to make sure that you wrap it very loosely. If you wrap it too tight, you can actually cut off your circulation, and this is exactly what happened to me. My thumb started to turn purple. It didn't even feel actually that tight, but it was tight enough over time as I kept wrapping and changing directions that my thumb started to turn purple, and I didn't even notice. It was someone that I was working with called it to my attention, and I was so glad that he did, because that could have ended badly. So make sure that you guys wrap very loosely and just continue that process of wrapping in one direction and then switching to the other direction, and do that until you reach the end of your yarn. Once you run out of yarn, then your ball is complete, and you're going to just use that tail to get started on your next project, and it's going to pull with ease. So that's it. It's a very simple video. I hope you enjoyed it. I would love to know in the comments, where's your favorite place to crochet? Are you more of a homebody? Do you like to go out in nature as well? Let me know in the comments. And I wanted to let you guys know that I just launched a line of sustainable yarn that is hand spun, hand dyed by artisans in Peru. My brand is all about supporting women makers and reminding ourselves what we're capable of. I'll have a link in the description along with a special gift for all of you guys, so don't forget to click on the link staycreating.co and go check it out. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to see more content like this, subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you have any questions about this or anything else. I'd love to connect with you guys. Have a wonderful week. God bless you, and stay creating. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.